In looking at different technology tools that can be used for teaching, I'm going to talk a bit about Google MyMaps. I use Google MyMaps in my geography class because it helps students be able to visually see historical and cultural information in the context of the physical geography of a place. And this helps them analyze the relationship between physical geography and other types of geography, cultural, political, etc. And using this technology meets the ISTE standards for educators 6B and 7A. So Google My Maps is a Google application, and we'll just go right into it. I'm going to go ahead and create a new map. So for instance, recently in my geography class, we were studying China, and the students were looking at this timeline of Chinese history on the PBS website. And for instance, if they're reading about this Battle of Muyi and they want to put this on their map, they think it's an important historical event they'd like to see in context of the other events where it occurred, they'll read through and eventually see that a good location to refer to in this battle is Central Henan. So you can simply search for Henan, China. Here you can add a marker, drop a pin, and so you can label it Battle of Muyi, give your description, your vital information. Okay, you can even add a picture or a URL or even a video. You can save that there. Several of the students created different layers of information, so they could put in all of their battles and political things, military events in one layer, and then maybe the religion information in another layer, things like that, so that they could show just one of those at a time and then show them all together and talk about the interaction between all of those layers. You can change the color of your different points also to just differentiate between things a little easier. They all created lines to show where the Great Wall of China is. Many of them also calculated distances between things with this distance tool. And some of them, when they wanted to show an entire area, they can create actually a whole plane like that. So they've created a polygon and they can label this, whatever area that is. So then you can move about your map. You can zoom in and out just to see everything in context. And then, of course, they can share it with me so I can review it. They can share it with all of their classmates, what have you. So it's a really nice tool for that, and I'd be interested in hearing from you all other ways that you think this might be useful in different classrooms. Thanks.